Guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Yvette. Today I will be making some pancake. In this bowl is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have some cinnamon powder and some salt to taste, okay, and some vanilla essence. So let's get started. I'm going to add the sugar into the egg and the milk, and I'm going to whip it. All right, using the whisk. Oops. And then I'm going to add the baking powder into the flour. But before I do so, I must add some vanilla essence into the egg mixture. Okay, I'm going to add the salt and the cinnamon powder and the baking powder into the flour, which is the dry ingredients. All right. When I finish, I use the same whisk and combine the baking powder, salt, and the cinnamon powder together. I'm gonna add the mixture. I want to mix this thick, okay?
We too are involved in a contest between freedom-loving human beings everywhere and the forces of the
What I'm gonna do is rest it for 10 minutes and then I'll come back and bake it. Right? See? This consistency I'm looking for. Stay tuned. So ready to bake. Okay, I have the pan hot. I'm going to add some oil. And I'm going to use the brush and spread the oil all over. Alright. Then I'm using a scoop and 1 scoop. I'm going to spread it around just a little bit. Okay.
The moral majority claimed to have registered millions of Christians to vote in the 1980 election. How can Ronald Reagan win the White House in a landslide? Serve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God. So help me God. The former Hollywood actor became the perfect spokesman
So we're gonna use the spatula. See if it's get brown enough, and then we're gonna turn it all over. Okay. See that? Yeah. See? That's it. So we're looking for some nice fluffy, thick pancake. All right. You see, it's another mess. It's not running. So I'm gonna do this for all. All right, and then oops, oops, oops. So stay tuned. Second batch. Turn the fire very low. Okay. So we don't want it to get too dark and nice. Right. Okay. So this is it. So this is it. I'm going to pour some syrup all over. And if you want, add some butter. Your choice. Remember, not everybody can use butter. Alright? It must be a choice of yours. Look at this. Okay. Thanks for watching. It's just a tip. Ooh. Soft. Flaky. Ooh. Try. Now you could use this just like this, or you could use it with sausage, eggs, anything of your choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.